Hey now, what's going on, guys? Welcome to my channel, me ShelleyB. Thank you so much for popping back in and hanging with your girl for a little bit. What I have today is I got me some corn, I got some red potatoes, and I have most of a whole rotisserie chicken that I had put in my freezer from the last time. Don't let no food go to waste, y'all. So, I haven't been feeling well the past couple days. And I'm going to tell y'all why. It's not why I look like this. Well, it's part of the reason why I look like this, but I just washed my hair. I'm waiting for it to completely dry so I can braid it, put my twists in for the rest of the summer. Got me some butter sauce, y'all. So, that Taco Bell, I ain't messing with Taco Bell no more, y'all. I can't do it. Can't do it. It had me so sick. It was just too much. And I started to pass on that challenge. I said, no, I might as well go ahead and knock it out. I can do it. I can do it. No. Good, y'all. So, I've just been in the bed trying to recuperate. Had to drink me some Gatorade to replenish some things. Also, before I forget, I'm doing another channel just for my ASMR videos that I'll be continuing with. You know, the YouTube algorithm gets you things kind of mixed up. So if you have too much going on, they don't really know where to put your videos. So I'm going to chop some things up a little bit. I'm going to have a separate channel for my ASMR and then, you know, the rest over here. And that channel is ShelleyB ASMR. Capital S, H-E-L-L-E-Y, capital B, space, capital A, capital S, capital M, capital R. I'm going to put it down in the description. So if you guys are into ASMR, feel free to go ahead and subscribe over there on that channel. I still have to finish putting my headliner and all that on there, profile pic. But the name is up and running. And I'm looking forward to doing more of that because I'm not a big talker. And it's just me. It's kind of hard. Not hard, but I know y'all can probably get bored just watching one person sit here and interact with herself and with you guys. But I think it's better when it's two people feeding off of each other. These red potatoes are good. So while I've been trying to recuperate, been messing around on my laptop and just trying to get my other channel set up and everything, and I haven't been taking any pictures. Man, this butter sauce that I mixed up, so good. I had already poured it over top of everything, but It's good dipping it too. So yep, y'all, that challenge took me out for a while. But I'm back. It's oh, it's Father's Day today. My dad passed about 10 years ago, so still don't like to talk about it, but oh, you other fathers. Hey, even though you're a father every day, this is so good. And my stomach is on E. So that's why I'm eating now. I didn't want to wait until my hair was done and whatnot. I'm hungry. I know y'all don't mind. I feel like I could take a nap. What's that? It's starting to look kind of dark outside. It's only like probably like 12:30, something like that. But it's supposed to storm today. It's supposed to be thunderstorms here. It's in the 80s. It's hot. I got my AC running upstairs. But it's going to be a thunderstorm. Maybe I'll sleep through it. Get a full belly. Sleep through it. My hair will be completely dry by the time I wake up. Hopefully I'll have the energy to finish it. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm just chomping away. You gotta get it with the butter sauce on it. So good. I'm so distracted, forgot to take my pills. Distracted by food. I don't have my glasses on. I can't even tell how many minutes have gone. But I think I'm about done talking. And I'm full already because my stomach's been on E for the past couple days. Oh, excuse me. That was a good one. Yeah, I'm getting full. I made too much. Made too much as usual, but it won't go to waste. You know when you're full, but you just keep eating because it's so good? Okay, I'm stopping. I'm stopping. Thanks, y'all, for hanging with me to the end of the video. If you did, look forward to seeing y'all on the next one. Mwah. Mwah. Oh, like. I'm messing up. Subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any new content I put out. Like the video if you like the video. Also, feel free to share, share and comment. Whatever you want. I will see you guys on the next one. Mwah, mwah.